Rocket EVA is an agentic AI platform that delivers operational diagnostics across core systems. Let's take a look at a scenario where EVA drastically reduces the time to create dashboard summaries and reports for critical operations. Management wants a daily health report. The capacity team usually spends an hour assembling it. Let's create the report much faster by using EVA. The user asks EVA to provide CPU utilization throughout the day on an hourly interval. EVA queries SMF data and returns an hourly CPU utilization chart. The overnight batch spike and daytime ramp-up are clearly visible. The user can then ask EVA to give me today's operational summary. EVA will show the summary, including total jobs run, total Abends, success rate, and top 5 Abend codes by frequency. Lastly, the user can ask EVA, were workload management goals for Db2 and batch jobs met? There was a batch job that missed its velocity goal. Now the team can investigate the capacity. EVA was able to eliminate hours of manual analysis and reduces reliance on scarce specialists, enabling teams to gain faster performance insights.